Like I won't do no hate, cause I know you will. 2 hoes with me, Lou will. Big bankroll, all new bills. About to buy a grill, cost me $2 million. About to get you dropped, that don't cost nothing.
What's good, B? Oh, my fault. But what's up, y'all? It's y'all girl, Jay. I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm just doing like a little quick weave. I was gonna do like a tutorial thing till I realized my angles wasn't set up properly. So it's really just like a watch me work type of video. So I wanted to show y'all a couple things that I had learned while doing this, because I really don't do like side part quick weaves. Like I was trying to do something different, do a deep part quick weave with, you know, the little pretty baby edges on the side, but that really ain't turned out in my favor. So what I did was part my hair in the deep side part, right? And I left this big section out that I showed y'all in the beginning. And then I'm taking the Murray's like edge wax or whatever, and then like, well, the one that's in the orange can. So I'm taking that and I'm using it on my edges to try and make like my baby swoops and all that good stuff, get them boys popping or whatever, right? I'm trying. And then I'm about to put a whole lot of spritz. You're gonna see me keep doing it. Spritz and blow dry. Splits, spritz and blow dry. And in real life, I did this shit probably like 15 times, like dead ass. But don't do it 15 times like me, because that shit was all over my fucking face. You'll see it in this video, like it's like a white crusty spot on my face and I ain't even noticed. But don't judge me, because I already told you what it is. And so after, like, I had some clips of me doing like my actual install of my Quickweave, but I deleted it by accident. So we just at the styling part now, because that's just how good of a YouTuber I am. So I'm just flat ironing. I really didn't like my hair, to be honest. I just finessed it so it'll work for me. But I'm actually about to take this shit down after like 2 days. 2 days, 3 days, or whatever. So I'm just flat ironing my leave out. I had put that wax stick stuff all over my leave out that you see me use in the beginning to press out my little edges. I put it all over my leave out as well, so it can like help blend it out. You know how people use that Cure wax stick? I just used the one from my beauty supply store. I forgot what it's called. I think it's by Luster's, I think. Yeah. And then right here, I start curling my hair, right? And I was actually struggling because I was trying to curl it with these new ceramic flat irons that I got from Conair, but them bitches is pretty as fuck and was doing shit for my hair. So I had to whip out my good old trusty Marcel's and beat. And then I like just disappeared for the rest of my hair and came back on my last fucking curl, because I hate curling videos and stuff like that. Like, it's just like, excuse me y'all, it get repetitive. So I mean, if y'all want to see something like that, if that's therapeutic for you, let me know. I'll keep that in there a little longer, but I just like did 2 curls. Thought that was sufficient enough. Especially mainly because I don't even like my fucking hair. This shit ugly as fuck to me, if you ask me. I think I should do like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna take it out and do like a half up, half down type of style, or I'm gonna do a ponytail, and then I'm never wearing this hair ever again. I'm throwing it the fuck away. And I got a review coming up on this hair too, y'all, but let me just tell you, I don't like this hair. Like, I don't know if it's something about me in this hair specifically, but I do not like this hair. Like, dead ass, I don't. I think I liked it when I first installed it, and like after I washed it, like, I'm not gonna say too much because I got a video coming up on reviewing it, but be on the lookout for it because I fucking don't like this hair. Period. Purr. Yo, what's wrong? I don't know why, but I like saying purr instead of period. Purr. Okay, anywho. So yeah, brush, comb, get that leave out, flat, splat, lay down, around, down, beat, pop, comb, swoop. Gang affiliates, do not come after me. I'm just talking hella bullshit. Like, instantly, like, clearly I be bored as fuck. Fitted duck. Oh, yo, I got some good news. Girl, I got some good news that I can't even tell y'all right now. I can't tell y'all right now. I can't tell y'all right now. I can't tell y'all right now. But I'll be telling y'all in a new future video coming soon. So stay tuned. I got something good for y'all. So good for y'all. Damn, because how long was I curling my hair? I really thought I did like 2 curls and that was it. Guess I did 4 of them boys. Oh, let me tell you. So right here, I use this black hairspray, right? And then like, I messed up my part. I was trying to clean up my part and I messed that shit up. You see, I fixed it because I put concealer on my shit and it looked like heavily fucking concealed. Oh, especially what the fuck? Like, on the second line, like that one right there, I'm fixing on. So I tried to put more black hairspray on it and I fixed it, but like I really didn't. Like it just kind of just worked. Just worked out. Like I'm fake feeling myself because it's just like I fixed it, I think, but. Alright y'all, so I finally finished with my hair. These are the finished results. And you see I messed up, but I figured out a way to make it work and like fix it because I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna have to make something happen. But let me put some oil sheen in my hair actually. Yeah, OD'd on the oil sheen. That's how I like to do it. But I'm gonna leave y'all with some pictures and everything like that, but I'm about to get ready and get dressed so I can go ahead and leave. So, bye y'all. Also, make sure you like this video for me not giving up, because I could have just been like, fuck this shit, and I'm about to not go to work today. Like, go off day. Don't worry about that. That's spritz that I gotta wipe off my face. But I could have easily gave up on my hair because it was like a struggle a bit. Because it's like doing a quick weave on yourself. Like, what the fuck? That's hard. Whoever said that was easy.
You know they fucking lie.
I mean, once you get the hang of it, yeah, but like on some first beginning type shit, like it's kind of difficult. But make sure you like this video, y'all. Share this video and subscribe if you want to see more hair tutorials and stuff like that. Or if you just love my personality and you want to see more of my personality, because this was more just the like a watch me do my hair type of video. Make sure you click on some of my other like talk through videos, chit chats, story times and stuff like that. And I will have plenty more coming out for y'all soon. So you know what I'm saying. Look for a review for this hair. This is West Kiss hair and it's actually a year old. Yeah, a year old. So I revamped it or whatever, did quick weave with it. So yeah, looking for a review and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.
If I see you, I'ma wet you, hit you and your nephew. Came in with a big drum, wet you like a stencil. Line a nigga just like a pencil.